crisps and golden sides. Welcome to the world of delights. Preheat the oven 100 and ease the heat. Puff pastry squares, looking crisp and neat. Cheddar cheese, mushrooms too. Layer it up, we're cooking for you. Roll up the pastry, cut it just right. Cheese it gonna sucked and tight. Mushroom sliced, flavors bold. Wrap it up, watch the magic unfold. Egg with milk, oregano flair. Parmesan, garlic powder, flavors to share. Whisk it smooth, make it shine. Brush it gently, every single line. Inside out pizza, golden and bright. Flaky, cheesy, savoury delight. Egg wash magic, brush it on top. Baking with delights, we just can't stop. 15 minutes, oven's on the go. Time for the sauce, brush it nice and slow. Tomato glaze with a herby kiss. Back in the oven, cured cheesy bliss. 15 more, maybe 20 if you please. Watch that pastry puff with ease. Golden edges crispy and fine. Bubbling cheese, it's tasting time. Crunchy melt in every bite. Flavors dancing, pure delight. Pastry layers, bold and true. Inside out pizza baked for you. Inside out pizza, golden and bright. Flaky, cheesy, savoury delight. Egg wash magic, brush it on top. Baking food delights. Magic, brush it on top. Baking food delights. You just can't stop.